Diddy's trial may simply be taking longer than expected. Diddy just appeared in court today for the superseding indictment that added 2 more charges to his case. He still had grey hair and a grey beard when he entered the courtroom and pleaded not guilty, but added that they were considering delaying his court date by 2 weeks. The judge then asked Diddy if he had seen the indictment from April 3rd, to which Diddy replied, "Yes, I do, Judge." "How do you plead?" the judge asked, to which Diddy replied, "Not guilty, Judge." Diddy's attorney subsequently stated, "We would like to discuss a 2-week postponement of openings due to discovery issues. I don't want to disrupt the jury selection process." Diddy's other attorney would then claim that one of the issues they observed had to do with the discovery of Victim 2, and that whatever issue they had with Victim 2 was resolved. However, Victim 4, the alleged victim of forced labor, who was recently added to the superseding indictment, was employed there for a certain amount of time but has been cooperating with the US. She has taken screenshots, but the US has not seized the rest of Diddy, and his attorneys are claiming that Victim 4 cherry-picked messages out of 100,000 emails and messages that the US is not obtaining. Although Global was subpoenaed, her business emails are not with us. We may request a Rule 17 subpoena 3 weeks before the trial, which is used to obtain evidence or to subpoena someone's testimony. Yes, we were told that the review of Victim 2's iCloud is complete. On Victim 4, a month ago, we learned of additional emails, for example to the defendant and others. The government is not in possession of all of these emails, nor control, the judge asked after Diddy's attorney continued, adding that there are 3 screenshots of an incident that will be discussed at trial with Victim 4, but the government now tells us that she no longer has the whole WhatsApp chat. Yes, we could get that court law on that after this hearing, the government responded. The government then stated that Diddy and his team had already received the enterprise letter and the 3,500 materials, and if they are going to move for a postponement of the trial, they should make an application before this Friday's conference or sooner. The judge essentially agrees with that and says, "Defense, if you make a request, make it a rifle shot." The judge then asked what terms were searched, and the government responded with the names of the defendant and a few victims. The judge continues by stating that we are a freight train heading toward trial, stating that if you are going to move for a postponement of this trial, it will have to be within the next 48 hours. The government then informs the judge that Diddy's investigation is still ongoing, and that, as to Victim 5, right now Diddy is only being charged with 4 victims, but they are alleging that there is a victim number 5 that he might not even have been charged with yet. Diddy's attorney then intervenes. The judge stated, "On Friday then, I will note that the government might have applied to me an amended enterprise letter, which means that we could see this victim 5 possibly being brought up. Diddy might get hit with another superseding indictment because of whoever victim number 5 is. Victim number 5 will be the subject of Ms. Shapiro's argument. Alexandra Shapiro is not present today, but she will be there on Friday. I'll be keeping a close eye on this and reporting back on what we find out at Diddy's next court hearing on Friday. But please share your thoughts in the comments section below